Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 14th, and on February the 7th we started our Gerber daisy seeds, and I had them pre-chilled in the refrigerator. They were ones I had collected myself off of one of my plants, and I had stored them in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. And on February the 11th they started germinating for us, so I just wanted to show you here what they look like. You can see they're still coming up here, and any extra seedlings I'll be pricking those out. I'll put a link down below for a video that I did on a different plant when I pricked out the extra seedlings, and it's still the same way. You just want to make sure you get them out when they're still little. So I just wanted to show you that. Now we will start feeding these when they start getting their true leaves on them. We'll feed them with Miracle-Gro water-soluble all-purpose plant food, a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and we'll make sure our soil is well watered and moist before we feed our plants because we don't want to burn the root systems on them. And the reason why we feed our plants is I wanted them to develop a nice, strong, healthy root system, because the root system is what takes up your nutrients to the plant. It's what gives the plant its water. It helps it absorb its food. So that's why we want to make sure we establish a good root system on them. So as soon as they start getting their true leaves, I'll start feeding them with that. And I'll feed them once a week with that mixture. And I'll come back with more updated videos as they continue to grow and establish themselves. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when to put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.